Hi everybody, this is Noelle from Petitti's, and we talk a lot about pruning hydrangeas, and this is a panicle hydrangea tree in front of me here. And pruning panicle hydrangeas is really easy. All you have to do is envision a basketball. Time of year that you want to do this is usually during dormant time. So when they're sleeping, late winter, early spring is great. Get out there on a nice day and go ahead and cut these spent flowers back. And again, envision that basketball size on top of your main trunk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prune a couple of branches off, and you'll kind of see what, how this should look and be shaped. But if you don't like the dried flowers, you can remove them in the fall if you want to. That's fine, but we tend to leave them on because it provides some, fall and winter interest all the way through the winter. So that's fine. Now these panicle hydrangea trees have not leafed out yet, and that's okay. They're coming. But again, you can prune panicle hydrangeas before they leaf out. So when no new growth is showing, you can do that. That is not for all hydrangeas. So just be aware with the panicle type, the smooth type, you can prune them before any leaf out happens. Okay. So I'm going to just take a few of these branches off, and I'm pruning down to a node. I am pruning at an angle, okay, a healthy angle. And oh, here's a little node that's starting to green up here. So I just left it right at the top. And I'll go through and you'll see the entire thing pruned. We'll show you from start to finish. And when I'm done, I just want to feed this with plant tone and iron tone, and it'll be ready to go for the season. Enjoy.